Aloha and welcome to this brief review of Module 3. Module 3 is all about your campus resources. Did you know, as a distance learner at Honolulu Community College, you have access to a wide variety of online support services? These are a couple notable mentions that you might not be aware of as an online learner. You have access to online tutoring. We have and offer tutoring in a wide variety of subjects. Whether you're needing writing support or maybe subject support, we offer online tutoring. We also have online counseling services available. If you're really struggling to pay for courses or maybe just having a really tough time dealing with a personal situation or the like, you actually have access to an online counselor through our care office. Need help mapping out your academic plans? We offer online academic advising through our academic advising office. And are you struggling to maybe navigate the library research databases or don't even know about them? Well, our library offers support for our distance education students, and we have much more online resources and services at your disposal.